Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Alpine PSS-23WRA 300-watt complete sound system upgrade available for the 2019 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL two-door. That's right, the PSS-23WRA, of course, has been available for the four-door Wrangler since its release in 2018. However, because of the design of the seat bracket that Jeep was using on that initial model year of the JL in the two-door Wrangler, unfortunately, the PSS-23WRA was not compatible. Now, that's because the seat bracket that Jeep was using was a scissor-style seat bracket, meaning that the seat was capable of folding and tumbling forward to give your passengers access to the rear seat in the two-door Wrangler. However, in 2019, Jeep redesigned that passenger seat bracket here in the two-door Wrangler to something more similar to the four-door Wrangler, which is basically a sliding seat mechanism, allowing that passenger side seat to slide all the way forward, giving your passengers access to the rear seat in the two-door. Now, with that change, with the introduction of the sliding passenger side seat in the two-door Wrangler, that means that now we can install that PSS-23WRA without any modifications or problems here in our two-door Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, the PSS-23WRA, as I mentioned, is a complete sound system upgrade that's made up of a few components. We have a powered subwoofer, a powered amplifier, as well as a pair of 1-inch tweeters, and of course, all the bracketry and wiring necessary to get this installed without any modification to your Jeep required. That also means no cutting or splicing of any wires, something we're very familiar with seeing from Alpine. Now, if we go on a component by component basis here, we can start with the 8-inch powered subwoofer, and that's going to really help to fill out the low range frequencies when you're in your Jeep, giving your audio system a very full sound. Next up here, we've got that powered 4-channel amplifier. Now, the speakers that came in your Wrangler from the factory in both the dash and the overhead soundbar here are very capable of delivering some really great sound if we deliver them some more power. And that's just what this 4-channel amplifier does. It basically intercepts the audio signal from your radio, bumps it up in power, and then delivers it back to those factory speakers, really giving you some great sound in your Wrangler. Now, finally, we've got that pair of 1-inch tweeters that basically replace the tweeters in your dashboard here, and those are going to give you some really great, crisp, clean high notes, again, really filling out and completing that audio profile in your two-door Wrangler JL. Of course, we see everything installs very neatly and compact here underneath of our passenger side seat, thanks to this great bracket here that installs under that seat, and that means we're not losing any valuable cargo space inside of our two-door Wrangler. Now, installation of this kit is very easy. As mentioned, it is a totally plug-and-play installation. Now, if you want to get more information, you can click that info button to watch the installation video that we put together on our four-door Wrangler JL. The installation procedures between both the two-door and the four-door are virtually identical, so that video should help you get your PSS-23WRA kit installed in your 2019 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL two-door without any problems at all. If you guys want to get any more information or purchase the PSS-23WRA for your Jeep Wrangler JL two-door, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the kit or how to get it installed in your Wrangler, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.